everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Japanese curry without using these curry cubes. So today, it's Japanese curry without using these curry cubes. And what I'm using instead of this curry cube is this SMB curry powder. This is a mixture of all these spices you need for Japanese curry. Turmeric, coriander, cumin, and sage. This one is from Japanese spice company called SMB. But other curry spice mix from other brands will also do. Or, if you have your original curry spice mix, you can of course use that. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this Japanese curry. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings and some extra. 1 chicken thigh, or you can use any other meat you like. 2 potatoes, 1 onion, carrot. I'm using half of this today. 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 2 tablespoons each of sugar, ketchup and soy sauce, 3 tablespoons each of butter, flour and curry powder, and 1 to 2 teaspoons of garam masala depending on how spicy you want to make it. Japanese curry is usually served with Japanese rice. I'm not cooking rice in this video, but I put the link here. So if you want to serve it with Japanese rice, please check it out. Let's cut all these ingredients. Vegetables first. Peel the skin. Remove these eyes of the potatoes, if there is any, using heel of the knife. All peeled and washed. Let's cut them into bite-sized pieces. Onion into slices. chicken. You can use it with the skin on or off, either way you like. I'm going to remove it. Let's remove all these extra fat. Then into bite-sized pieces. Heat up about a tablespoon of vegetable oil in the pot of a medium heat. I'm using rice oil, but you can use any oil you like. You don't need to measure it, just eyeball it. And let's cook the chicken first. When the chicken is half cooked, add all these vegetables. And keep cooking until all the vegetables are coated with the oil. Okay, let's add 700 milliliters of water. Garlic paste, soy sauce, and sugar. Give it a stir. Put the lid on. Turn the heat to medium-low and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes until everything is well cooked. In the meantime, I'm making what we call curry roux or curry roux. So prepare small frying pan, put butter and flour. Turn the heat on and cook it until it's slightly browned. slightly browned. Add curry powder and garam masala. Keep cooking until everything is well mixed. And make sure you don't burn it. Nice and shiny. Kill the heat and curry roux or curry roux is ready. This pot is on stove for 15 minutes. So let's see if everything is well cooked. Toothpick can easily go through. That means it's cooked. Take some broth from the pot and put it into the frying pan to dilute the curry roux. Mix until there is no lumpy curry roux. This is the texture you want to get. And let's put it all back into the pot. Mix to dissolve the curry roux completely. ketchup. Give it a mix. Keep cooking for another 2 minutes over medium-low heat and it's done. So here, I have some cooked Japanese rice. Served on one side of the bowl. Let's put the curry sauce on the other side. And Japanese curry without using curry cubes is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. It tastes exactly like school lunch curry I used to have when I was a small child. Very nostalgic flavor. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Japanese curry goes here and it also covers the main. Creamy pumpkin soup or any soup you like here. Japanese curry contains a lot of vegetables, so let's pass one of the side dishes and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!